Hello, today we're going to talk about the problem I had with my Mercury 150 horsepower four-stroke. When I was coming back to the boat ramp, the motor just started to lose power. I shut it down to see what was wrong and it wouldn't fire back up. It would just crank and wouldn't turn over. Thank goodness I have a trolling motor. I used my trolling motor to troll back 1,000 yards to the boat ramp. It happened not far from the boat ramp. But my issue ended up being this fuel filter right here. And I would recommend, if you don't carry one on your boat, I would carry one on your boat because it's a quick, easy fix. You can swap it out really quick, a couple minutes. So I'm not saying this would be a problem of your no start condition out on the water, but this could save your day and get you back to shore. So when I got home, I had an extra fuel filter. I swapped it out, put the earmuffs on, it fired right up. So my fuel filter was clogged. I do my 100-hour maintenance. I don't know, something got clogged up in there. But I would recommend keep an extra fuel filter on your boat. Could save your day from being stranded on the water. Hope this video helps you out. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.